So welcome back to my channel. So I haven't been on in probably a little over a month. I've been having some things I've been, dealing with and going on. So I haven't been making any videos. However, I am coming back with some more videos for you guys. So today I'm going to be putting some curls in my hair using the Conair Easy Start hot rollers. I've had this for a long time. I would say over 10 years. Yes, I've had this for over 10 years and it still very much works, and it still gets really hot. It's really hot now, so I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna be using some coconut milk. I have my white tooth comb. I have some clips. My hair is in a clip right now because it is flat to my face. And as you guys can see, I did dye my hair. I dyed the front like this blonde color, and I dyed the back like the dark brown. My niece is in the background, you guys, so you're going to be hearing that. So I'm going to be going back and forth between doing my hair and checking on my niece. She's only 2 months old, so yeah. And I'm also going to be doing a small unboxing. I'm going to cover up my address, but yeah, I'm going to be doing a small unboxing. I have something here. So I ordered online last week. I forget when I ordered this, but this is Pierre. I don't know if you guys know on YouTube, her name is HairByPierre. I've been watching her for some years now. I've been watching her for a very long time, and I love her content. I love her videos. I love everything. Like, her videos are so well made. Her editing is awesome. Her pictures, if you guys go on her Instagram, her pictures are freaking beautiful. She's beautiful. I love watching her. So I'm just going to be opening this up. I'm going to be trying this. This is her butter oil mix. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up this now. So this is the package. And it came to me pretty fast, surprisingly, because I didn't get like the, next day shipping or anything like that. I just got the regular fast shipping. So it did come in this. Let's see. So I'm just taking out everything that it came with. Alright, so I took out everything out the package, and let's see. So I have a couple of things. So this is her card. I'm gonna put it up to you guys, and I'm gonna leave her link down at the bottom to her YouTube, guys, because she's awesome. So please go over there and check her out if you have not already. She's freaking awesome. So this is her card here, if you guys can see that. It's probably flipped the other way, but that is HairByPierre, her butter oil mix and body glow. I got the butter oil mix. I didn't get the body glow, but I'm definitely going to get that. I'm going to try that out for the summer. She has an Etsy shop. Her Etsy shop I'm going to leave in the link below as well. And her YouTube is HairByPierre. And then her Instagram is Pierre with a dot in between the R and the E at the end. But you guys, I'll leave her information in the link below for that. So this was her Pisces season mix that she had. So I have these here. Look at that, you guys. So it's like, I'm gonna open it up, and then I'll show you guys the butter oil mix too. But I'm so excited for getting this because I've been wanting to buy this for like a while now, because her hair is beautiful, you guys. Like, her hair, her natural hair is just gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. And then when she cut it into this nice little style, you guys, it's so, I don't know. It smells so good. Is this like soap or something? I don't know. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. I'm probably gonna use this in my bathroom, like as like a decoration somewhere. I don't know if this is soap or just like what, but I don't know. It smells good. And like, if you guys can see like a little bit of my background, I don't want to move my camera too much, but like back there, you guys, like I have like pictures and stuff like that that's like blue, and I have like Paris and like the Eiffel Tower, and like I have like this bohemian type feel going on in my bathroom. Maybe one day I'll show you guys my bathroom, but I have like a bohemian type feel and slash like, I have this Paris theme as well. But yeah, that is like a little mermaid. Then we have like a little shell. It smells so good, guys. That smells so awesome. This is like a little shell, small little shell. And then I'm guessing these are two like little pebbles. They all smell so good. Yeah, so I'm gonna put these back in the bag. I'm gonna store them somewhere cool because they kind of feel like I don't know if they're melting, or I don't know if this goes inside the butter oil mix. I don't know, but it smells so awesome. So I'm gonna put these in like a nice cool spot, and yeah, I'm gonna wrap that back up. So I'll take care of that later. And then the thing that I ordered, so it came wrapped up like this, you guys. I haven't opened it yet, so it's wrapped up nice and tightly. So let's take this down. So, oh my gosh, I love this wrap. I'm gonna give this to my daughters. They love popping these things. I'm gonna give that to my daughters. So that's that. And still wrapped up. Yay. I have the butter oil mix, so let's unwrap that. Oh, I guess she wrapped it up in plastic so that, like, you know, people don't get their fingerprints and stuff all over it. That's so awesome. So here is the butter oil mix. So it says Pisces season butter oil mix for natural mermaid hair and skin. It's an 8 ounce, 100% vegan. No fishes were hurt in the making of this product. HairByPierre. So it does give you a list of all the ingredients. If you guys want to know, I'll let you guys know. However, it's not a long list, but it is all natural ingredients, all that I can pronounce, which is a good thing. But yes, you guys, so I'm gonna link her Etsy shop inside the link below if you guys want to purchase this. But you guys, here it is. I don't want to touch the top because it's so like, there's no print on it or anything. It's all nice and shiny, and I don't want to touch the top, but I have to, right? Okay, so maybe I can just use my sleeve and like, just so I don't get like no fingerprints on it. I know that's so weird, right? But it's all, you know. Okay, so, oh, she got this nice and tightly on there. Okay, all right, let's see. Just wiping it off, I know. Weird. Guys. Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay, so here's how it looks. This is the top, so you know nobody's touched it. Here's how it looks. I don't know what's in there. I wonder if the stuff that, like the mermaid and the seashells can like go inside of it, because it may be something that belongs in there. I don't know, and I don't want to touch this because I don't know what it is. And like, obviously I know it's for your hair, but I don't want to touch it if it's like, I don't know if is it a rock? It's a rock. It's a crystal. Okay, it's a crystal. It's a crystal, you guys. And the butter oil mix smells so good. It smells good. It smells like peppermint, and I love that tingly feeling, you guys. Okay, so look, it melts. As soon as you touch it, it melts. As soon as you touch it, it just melts. Can you guys see that? You guys see that? It just oil. It just melts. And it smells so good, you guys. It smells so good. I'm just gonna put some on my hair. Just on my edges, you know. But it smells so good. It smells like peppermint. Okay, so so it's like a purple crystal, and I'm guessing it's purple for Pisces. Probably for like the mermaid season and stuff like that. So it's like a crystal in there. I'm not gonna take it out yet. I don't know if I should take it out and, like, you know, should I, or should I just leave it in? I'm gonna leave it in there. I'm gonna leave it in there. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna top these back up. I'm gonna top that back up. So why I bought this is because, one, I love a natural oil. I love natural butters and all that stuff, and I make my own butters at home. I make my own butters for like myself and for my daughters and my family, and I've been seeing hers for so long. I wanted to try it. Her hair is like flourishing so well. Her hair is beautiful, and I knowing from the ingredients that she has on there, I know it's natural, and I know it's going to help my hair flourish just as much as, you know, it has been doing very lately. And I wanted to support her as well, which is why I'm going to buy the body glow mixture that she has as well. I'm going to buy that as well because I want to keep supporting her. This is a big container, you guys. Like, I'm not going to go through this really fast. Like, it's going to take a while to go through this, but I feel like I want to buy another one just, you know, to keep supporting her. But or buy them as a gift. I can get this for a gift for my mom, my cousins, you know, something like that. So I'll probably go ahead and buy some more. Just in there, I got this as a 30% off for her Pisces season. It's 30% off. I got this at 30% off. She usually always has deals, guys. She always has discounts. Every time I go on there, there's a discount on there. And like, you guys, go buy this stuff. Go on her YouTube, check out her YouTube, look at her hair, you guys, and you guys will see what this stuff does, okay? And you guys will continue to get my review. You guys have my initial review of like how the opening the packaging and everything else, but I will continue to let you guys know how this is doing for my hair specifically. But yeah, so now that that part is over, I just wanted to show you guys what I got for that. I'm gonna go ahead and get into rolling up my hair. My hair is super flat right now. watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you. Bye.